Alex, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe below if you like videos about luxury shopping, unboxing, reviews, hauls, and etc. So today we have here one of those luxury unboxing videos. So I just got a package from Louis Vuitton, as you probably can see by the name of this video. So this is completely sealed box that I just got from UPS, and this is actually my first package that arrived like this, like in the mail from Louis Vuitton. I usually buy online, pick up in store, or I just go in store and buy there. So but about this item I exactly knew what I want, and I just found it and purchased it. So that's simple. And as well, this is actually why I'm doing store purchases, because as you probably know, you can find stuff on Louis Vuitton website. It's always please call for availability, or that's not available and stuff like this. So but this is my first item that I finally were able to buy from a website. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let me put the box in the front. Okay, so this is it. Oh, I like how Louis Vuitton boxes open, so cute. Then I stand and open like this. Okay, so they have here Louis Vuitton logo even in the box, which I so much like. Okay, inside we have this box. So this is the envelope with all the receipts, I guess, and all this information, and this is the box. Okay, so much like this, how this box, even just regular shipping box, has Louis Vuitton name. So much like it. Okay, so this is a box. It's about the same size box as, for example, when you buy Speedy, because I have the same box just in this corner. Yeah, probably it's completely the same size. Okay, let's open it up and see what I have here. Okay, so just to show it up, it has this ribbon, blue ribbon, that it says Louis Vuitton on it, and it has this little envelope inside this Louis Vuitton paper bag, and it's yeah, let me open it. Yeah, it has little paper here, and I guess it's for notes or something. Yeah, this for notes something. So if you bought a present or something like this. Okay, so let me open it up. I so much excited about this package, because this is something I really wanted for a long time. I can't say for a long time actually. I just wanted something like this in this style for a long time, from something luxury, because in this style I had bags from, for example, Vera Bradley. I had some bags from Lululemon, a sportish kind of bags, but I know how it's easy to use and super convenient. And then I saw Gucci has some, and then I saw Louis Vuitton has some. So I so much like Louis Vuitton one, and decided that this is gonna be my next bag. So basically I got, previous bag was Saint Laurent, I believe, Saint Laurent or another Louis Vuitton. So this is was my next move, and it just came in the mail. Okay, so let's open this box. Okay, let's just show me what is here. Here is just thank you, all this thank you notes, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, and your product has been crafted, and all this information here, how it was crafted. Okay, here we do have gift receipt, what is this, and all this general information, associate name, exchange and return policy here on this paper, and return label here. Okay, so I got this package. I purchased this package the day before yesterday, and I got it today in the morning because I couldn't wait for regular mail to arrive. I mean regular way, like between 2 and 5 days as they do usually, and I couldn't wait. I have never patience for that, and I always try to pay for express shipping because I can wait and more days like so. And I got this one for $20, and you have overnight shipping from Louis Vuitton, so it's actually good that you have like from luxury designers that cheap shipping. Okay, so let's open the bag and see what I got here. Okay, this is the bag. Okay, let's see. Dust bag. Okay, let me just put this bigger box aside since we don't need it anymore. Okay, and this is it. Okay, this is a classy dust bag, like super good quality and super nice. I so much like it. I have like every item from Louis Vuitton I own, I have it's in separate, like in its dust bag. Even like a smallest key pouch, even like some strap, it all remains in the dust bag, and it's so much like how I can take care of them this way. Okay, so let's open this one and see what is inside here. Okay, all right, this is it. This is the item. I mean, this is the bag that I got. Look at this, how nice this monogram canvas. And this is actually not really hard one, because some of my bags which is canvas, they like harder like when you touch it, but this one is very nice, soft canvas. I was skeptic at first about this white leather. I'm not sure if this strap, all the strap is also vachetta or how they call it, so leather, because I know how hard to take care of vachetta leather. I know for sure this is vachetta leather here, and over here on the tag, and this little thing here is all vachetta leather, but it's okay. I mean, I guess I'm gonna cover this one with some ribbon. I'm not sure yet, but mostly I will do this, so it's not a problem. I was skeptic about this strap because, you know, strap is the only like a first thing that shows a sign of aging and stuff. That's why I wasn't sure if it's a good idea or not to get this bag. But when I see all these bum bag styles on the website, it's the only one that I really like. For example, they do have like leather, not canvas ones, but it's just like leather ones, and they have like huge LV logo here, like goldish and stuff. But for some reason I don't like this style, so this one, like the only style that I so much like, and I decided, okay, since I actually very careful with my bags, any of my bags that I have like for a long time, they all like new. And for example, I got Speedy 35 about 2 years ago, and I just sold it, and I sold it like new because it was in the perfect condition. I used it a couple times, and I didn't even do anything with vachetta. It's no like signs or anything. I didn't even wash it or something. The only thing was it just got darker, a little bit darker, but not much. So in this case I decided, since I usually very careful with all my items, I don't think it's gonna be big, like huge problem to have this bag. Since I have a lot of bags, I don't think I'm gonna like wear it like every day, and maybe it's gonna take some longer time for this bag to start showing signs of wear or something. So okay, let me try it on and see how usually they wear them. So I saw a lot of videos on YouTube where people wear it like this, and I guess this is like really one of the best options, because I always need to be hands-free and just to run around. And this is actually very, let me hide my lock zip because it's glittering somehow on my camera. Okay, so in this way it's gonna be super easy to run around and have your hands free, and it looks so cool. I mean, look at this. Okay, it looked a little bit bigger, to be honest, when I looked on website and online and some, but I'm glad that it's not that big as it looked, because I didn't want that big it to be. Okay, so this way, I guess another way to wear it, something like this, because I saw such options as well, and probably sometimes even like this, when you just, yeah, not a bad option as well. Because when I had something similar to this from Vera Bradley, I actually wore it like this and like this, so it's like the most easiest and comfortable styles to wear this bag. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Let me just open maybe this one, if it opens, I'm not sure. Yeah, it opens from here. I'm just gonna open it, just in this case it's gonna be more easy to see what I'm showing here. Okay, so it has this inner like pocket on the back, and I so much like it because this is the most convenient part of all my bags that has this back pocket. I so much like it, and this pocket is actually quite big, and it definitely gonna fit my phone, which is crucial for me because I always have my phone. I always want to put it somewhere and not always have pockets big enough for put Samsung Note 10 Plus, and this one is gonna work just great. So whatever you need just to grab and go, you can just put it here, and this is the biggest back pocket I've ever seen. Okay, so let's move closer to inside now. Okay, so this is I'm not sure if it's in here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris here, and it says also here the same as usually in the middle of this vachetta lever. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, so let's see. I like that this thing has this kind of openings here to reach the zipper. I liked the style. I had such that kind of style bags that had like openings here, and this is super convenient. I so much like it, and it protects the zip, like all this gold hardware that you have on this bag. All that is gonna like be protected very, very good. So this is a good thing. Over here there is like little pepper for it, very just says what it is. So coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Okay, textile information. Okay, see here it says Bambag monogram MM monogram WN, whatever it means. Okay, so we got the main idea what it is. And inside, actually I never see it, how it feels inside. Okay, I don't see any pockets inside. It's just kind of this huge hole, and this is a good idea because I don't really use all these pockets inside because they're always so small, and you can put some cards, but since you, for example, if I carry my little wallets or something, I don't really need to use them, and they usually just there. And now I have like one big huge thing here, and I don't need to worry about it. And the back pocket is like the only thing I really need, and I so much loved it. Also, the good part about this bag to mention, it says here, as you can see, it's not really crucial for me and I don't really care about this, but over here, I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, wait. Okay, my piece is made in Paris. Everyone is so much worried about where it made. These bags, I don't know. I mean, I do have for example Speedy 25 that is made in USA, and I can say that I really care where it was made, but I saw a lot of people really worry about this, and sometimes they even return items that made in USA because they want items that is made in Paris. But they do have the factory here in US, in California and Texas, as I believe, but for me it never was an issue to buy item that is made in USA. As I already mentioned, I have one. Some of them made in Italy, some of them, I mean, made in Spain, and made in Paris, and made in USA. So basically it's almost the same price as Neverfull, about $1,700 as I believe. And this one is something I really want, and I know for sure this item is something that I can wear every day and like every time with any outfit. Doesn't matter if it's like sportish or it's like dressy or whatever. So it's literal, this one is literally gonna work with anything. So I'm gonna make more videos when I have chance to try this beauty and see how actually it's useful, how it's easy to use, how it's carefree and stuff. But as for now, this is how this bag looks, and how much it fits. I'm gonna make another video as well. So as for now, it's just like unboxing and see like overlook of this bag and like the feel, if it's worth it or not. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon with more videos and more luxury items to unbox.